Bella, in example number 2,
Alright.
it says two non-vertical. That means they don't look like this. These lines, okay? Two non-vertical lines are parallel if and only if they have the same slope. Now we talked about that already, right? That was in the last section. Okay? Now, it says write an equation of the line that is parallel to this one. Okay? So this isn't the equation that I'm looking for. But I'm looking for a different equation that's parallel to this one, right? And passes through this point. Okay? Now, Bella, it says write an equation. So I know I've got to have the slope, I've got to have the y-intercept. Am I right? Okay. Now they've given us some information. We know it has to be parallel to this other line. So that tells us they have the same slope. So what's the slope of the line that I'm trying to write? 2/3. Because that's the slope of this line. Perfect. Okay? Now Clay, I still don't have the y-intercept. What can I do to find the y-intercept?
Y equals mx plus b.
You got it. Y is equal to mx plus b. Now what do I do?
Then you go, so you look at the point they gave you.
I'm
Y,
looking at
so
the point. Good.
Y would be 1. So
1.
1 equals. Then you see m, the slope, we already have the slope, so 2/3.
Got it. 2/3.
Then you look and try and see x, and that would be -2. So
Negative 2, because that's the x coordinate.
Plus b.
The only thing I don't know. Perfect. Perfect. Now I can get b by itself, so it'll tell me what the y-intercept of this line is going to be. All right? Jordan, what do I do from here?
Multiply 2/3 -2.
All right, and what does that give me when I multiply those two things? -4/3 plus b. Now, do you agree that this one is 3/3? Right? Do you see why I rewrote it? Because I'm going to need to add this, and I need the same denominator, right? So what should I do, Jordan? Add 4/3 to the right side, add 4/3 to the left side, and that's going to give me b is equal to what, Jordan? 7/3 is 2 1/3. I'm going to leave it as 7/3 though, because we're in the 8th. Okay? Now, that means the y-intercept is 7/3. Let me scoot back up here. What's the equation of the line that we're looking for, Emily? Yes, we've gotten the information that we need. Now, what's the equation of the line that we were looking for?
Y equals 2/3 x.
Yeah?
Plus 7/3.
Beautiful. So let me ask you this now, Taylor. Is this line that we came up with, is it parallel to the one they gave us?
Yes.
How do we know?
Because they have the same slope.
Good. But they don't have the same y-intercept, right? They both go down 2 and over 3. That's their slope. But they're different lines because they have different y-intercepts. Will they ever have a common point? No, that's the definition of parallel lines, right? There's not going to be a point where they cross. They never cross. Okay? Excellent job. Do you have a question?
No,
Jane?
I answered it myself.
Did you? Nice. You know what we call that? Learning. All right. Good job. Let's look at the next one.